Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Point, the place where English feels simple and friendly. I'm Alex, and as always, I'm here with Maria. We're really happy you decided to spend a few minutes learning with us today.
Hi, everyone. It's great to have you here again. And yes, this episode is especially for learners who feel confused by grammar. If you like learning English through calm, real conversations, make sure to subscribe to English Point. We make videos to help you feel confident, not stressed. You're learning step by step, and that's perfect.
Today's topic comes from one of your comments, and we love that. A subscriber asked us to explain be, been, and being in a simple way. These are very small words, but they cause a lot of confusion. Many learners tell us, I understand English, but these words stop me. So today, we're going to slow everything down. Maria.
Exactly. No difficult grammar terms today. No long rules to memorize, just examples, stories, and real-life English. And remember, making mistakes is part of learning. If you feel nervous about grammar, you're not alone.
Let's start with the word be. I like to think of be as the beginning of everything. It's the base form, the idea, the dream. We often use be when we talk about goals or hopes. It's about what we want, not what already happened.
Yes, and that's why it's such a positive word. For example, many learners say, I want to be fluent in English. They're not fluent yet, and that's okay. They're talking about the future. They're talking about their dream. And Alex, I love that be is simple but meaningful. Listeners, try saying this sentence with us. I want to be confident. I want to be better at English. You don't need perfect grammar, just your voice.
Exactly. Another way we use be is for advice or instructions. Parents say things like, be careful, or be honest. Teachers say, be quiet, or be ready. It's short, clear, and powerful.
Now let's talk about been, the word many learners fear. But don't worry, we'll make it easy. When I think of been, I think of experience. It's about something that started in the past, and it still matters now.
That's right. Be is your starting point in English. Every journey starts with one idea, and this word helps you express that idea clearly. So don't be afraid of it. Use it. Yes, that's a great way to explain it. For example, I have been to London. You're not in London now. But the experience is part of your life. That's why we use been. Exactly. Been connect your past to your present. It's like telling someone your story. You're saying, this happened and it's important. That's why been is so useful. And remember, don't worry about pronunciation too much. Some people say been, some say been. Both are okay depending on accent. The most important thing is using it correctly, and that comes with practice. Now let's move to being. This word is all about now. It describes something happening in the moment. Often, it's about behavior, not personality. That's a very important difference. Exactly. We often use being when something is temporary. You're being very patient today. You're being very kind right now. It's about this moment only. Learners sometimes confuse this part. They think it describes who they are forever. But no, it's just about now. Just about this situation. That's why being is flexible. So remember, being equals temporary behavior. It's perfect for describing moods and situations, and it makes your English sound natural. So don't avoid it. Use it confidently. Thank you for listening to English Point. If this episode helped you, Please like the video. And tell us in the comments what you want to learn next. Your ideas help us create better lessons. We're learning together.